Tired of maxing out your credit card just to buy what you need on Amazon? Well, guess what? You might be able to use Clearpay on Amazon, splitting your payments into easy installments. Unfortunately, as of right now, Amazon doesn't directly offer Clearpay as a payment option during checkout. So, here's a workaround. First, check the Clearpay website or app to see if Amazon is listed as one of their approved retailers through their virtual card program. If it is, activate the Clearpay virtual card within the app. This will generate a one-time use card number you can use at checkout. Now, head to Amazon and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Proceed to checkout and, when prompted for your payment information, enter the Clearpay virtual card number, expiry date, and security code just like you would with a regular credit card. Clearpay will then break down the total cost into 4 equal installments, allowing you to pay over time. Remember to manage your payment schedule within the Clearpay app to avoid any late fees. Now you can get what you need from Amazon without breaking the bank.